Hey everybody, it's John Cruz inviting you to this year's Auburn Auction and Show, which is the 55th annual, August 28th, 29th, and 30th. We kick things off on Thursday, August 28th with some wonderful cars. The highlight right now for this year's Thursday auction is the Excalibur Motors Collection. And we've been friends with these folks for decades. They've been coming to Auburn for decades, and they are noted for having outstanding examples of whatever they like. But they're true collectors, so they're not just out buying whatever. Very intentional, very specific. So as you look through this collection of 10 cars selling on Thursday, August 28th, you're gonna find really special features at each and every one of them. Example, next to this absolutely stunning 72 GTO, 40 factory options. I know that Pontiac offered a lot of options, but I've never seen one with this many options, and I guess I didn't even know that you could get that many options on a car, but this has got it. Its condition is absolutely wonderful. When you see this car, you're going to tell, man, this is a really, really great car, and it's got spectacular features and options that you just don't see anywhere else. As you go through the list of each and every one of these, the accolades are similar. They're many, they're just the best examples, and that's what we want here, and that's what you are expecting at the Auburn auction, is really high quality, excellent example cars, and that's what you're gonna find this year right here in Auburn. So get registered to bid. Be here on Thursday the 28th. Bid and buy on some really great cars. We'll see you at the auction.